How's it going, everyone? Trucks and Water here. In today's video, I'm going over the new parts I got in for the K1500. A lot of you have been asking me what's been going on lately, and I was going to make this video about a week or two ago, but due to some stuff coming up and the accident and a bunch of work-related stuff, I couldn't make that video then, but now I'm going to make the video. So guys, this is just the main parts that are going on the front end. I got more stuff coming in for a little bit more different setup, but this is the main stuff that's going on the truck. So we'll start from the top and work our way down. Top, we got they call it a smooth face bumper. It's all black. That's not going to be what it's going to look like on the truck though, but we got a smooth face. It's got 2 holes, of course, or 4 holes for like a license plate and stuff right there, but that's what's the new bumper that's going on the truck. So if you can kind of see where the theme's going, I'm not going to go over color schemes or what we're doing just yet. You have to find out about that in future videos, but that's what we're going with right now. Is they got a smooth face front bumper. All this stuff except for the light bar I'm going to go over, I picked up on Amazon. So we got this one. Let's take this down. Open up the box here. In here, we've got, let's see here. All right, we got the air dam right here, and the front grille is right here with a little trim piece. That's this piece right here, because I don't know when we take this off if this is damaged or not due to old age and stuff like that. So, got the trim piece, got the grill, and I got the new air dam in this box. Again, they're all on Amazon. I'm not going to open these up and take them out of the plastic, guys. You have to find out what they look like. It's similar to this, just not going to be the same setup. So that's what's going on the truck with this. And now the thing I'm really excited about is the new light bar. It's an X5 series from Rough Country, 30-inch dual roll LED light bar. It produces 16,200 lumens, 180 watt, full waterproof and die-cast aluminum housing. This thing is an absolute freaking monster. Here it is in the package. You got your wiring harness, your plugs, everything that you need to use to mount it up. Comes with a cover. Of course, I'm not going to be running a cover when I put it on the truck. Take this cover off real quick so I can show you guys the really cool aspect about this light bar. The light bar I had on the bull bar was a Rough Country. Never had one issue out of it. Highly recommend their light bars. They're not like a cheap Chinese brand by any stretch of the imagination. Look at this beast of a light bar, guys. It's a flood spotlight combo with, it's got per cube 5 LED bulbs instead of just the normal 4. So that's how you get so much more light and then out of your standard 30-inch LED light bar. This thing is an absolute monster, and I cannot wait to run this on the truck. And before anyone starts in the comments, no, I am not running it when I'm driving unless I'm all by myself and there's no one in front of me or no one going beside me in the opposite lane. I don't know why I have that comment all the time about me running my light bar with people around me. I don't. But this is gonna change a lot. I mean, I literally cannot wait to have this on the truck. I've got a I'm also not using the standard plug for this for the switch. I've got one that's gonna be mount in the dash to make it like almost like a factory flat flush mount look, and the dash gonna look really, really good. But yeah, this thing is an absolute beast of a light bar. So put this back on the cover so to protect it. Let's see here. And the reason why they do covers now, guys, because technically it is illegal to run these. These are quote-unquote made for off-road use only. I understand why. Like I said, I don't run them when people are around me. So other stuff coming to the truck. The high beam bulbs are going to be switched out to brighter ones. I'm going from a 6,000 lumen to an 8,000 lumen, so 4,000 a piece. The low beams are going to stay 6,000. Of course, it's all going to be from aux beam LEDs. I'll always run their headlight LEDs. Never had one issue out of them, guys. They are 100% waterproof, have a fan behind them. They're great quality for the price that you pay for. I mean, I think these in particular are $54 for a set of 2. The bottom ones So these are staying the same. This whole housing, these housings are staying the same. Now my marker corner lights are being changed out too to clear plastic for the new bumper. So keep an eye out for that. Like I said, guys, I cannot wait to show you all this. Like I said, guys, it's gonna take some time. That we gotta do some custom fabbing with the bumper and some other stuff to make everything look the way I want it to look. But trust me, guys, you want to stay tuned to this process. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. I'm gonna take you as much as I can without spoiling it till the final product. I'm hoping to have the truck done no later than Myrtle Beach truck meet in November 30th at Myrtle Beach. It might be done earlier to where I can reveal it at the drag strip meet down in Montgomery, Alabama. But the main goal is to get it done before the Myrtle Beach meet. That will conclude Ashley 2.0, so part 2 of the mods of redoing the truck. Part 3, some of it I can start, but I gotta wait till basically I get a tow rig to start the rest of it. So that's what's kind of going on right now with Ashley. Comment down below what you think of the mods so far, what you like to see on the truck. Again, guys, like, I take all your comments seriously. I read them all, but at the same time, it's my truck. I'm also going to build it the way I want to. Just like you all build your trucks the way you want to. And that's what makes the truck scene so awesome, is we get to see different styles of personalities. But right now, the truck is absolutely nasty from yesterday's rain. I'm going to go wash it real quick. But, yeah, that's kind of what's going on with the truck, guys. I know I should have made this video a while ago, and I'm sorry that I didn't get it out sooner. But thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please join the Trucks and Water family and subscribe. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. Other than that, guys, I hope you all have a great Wednesday. It's hump day, so almost the weekend for the fun activities. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.